Hello YouTube! Welcome to another workshop video. In this series I show you maintenance and customization tricks for your Swiss Army knife. Today's topic is how to remove an advertising print from a scale. Like this. Many companies has Swiss Army knives with an advertising print on the scale as giveaway or as gift for their customers. Sometimes you can buy a cheap knife you desire on eBay or on the flea market, and they often have such an annoying advertising print. If you don't want such a print, you have to remove it. Some weeks ago I uploaded a video with the topic how to restore a matte or scratch scale. There I took sandpaper, I think first 240 grit sandpaper, after 400 and at the end the 600 grit sandpaper. After this works I went to the buffing wheel and polished the scale. This made the scale looks like a new one. My idea is to try out if these techniques works also for removing advertising prints on a normal scale or even on a transparent scale. First I grind away the print with a 240 grit sandpaper. So, and at the end I take this 600 grit sandpaper so now I'm finished with the 600 grit and I go to the buffing wheel. As polish liquid I like to use such a special plastic polish. I bought this on Amazon. You find the link in my Amazon shop. If you don't have such a plastic polish, you can also take chrome polish. This works also. So, look at this beauty. This knife looks like new. So, I hope you liked this little maintenance trick. Please watch my other maintenance and modification videos in this playlist. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next Friday. Ciao.